There we go. Oh my God, he's...
Oh yeah.
There he is.
This couldn't be any more fitting. You guys seen us do the Halloween Mario Kart theme years ago, but the team has gotten bigger, so we've fulfilled all the characters, and it's so fitting that we have a special birthday for Henry. He's getting the Yoshi cart. First Yoshi cart coming out of the shop here. I found Yoshi in the back. Dust him off.
Is he a dinosaur or a lizard?
He is the one non-extinct dinosaur that still lives on through a stage 3 custom powder coated crazy cart. This one right here, we've got kiwi green and polar white, making that Yoshi theme. Then the little details of Yoshi's boots, right? So we did those in illusion orange. The front caster DLX wheels are orange too. Nick just put those on. And then the theme was kind of Yoshi's go-kart. Threw a little bit of checkered flag on the drift bar handle there, which you could see the extension, which has the standard kart brake upgrade. Go around back, TG wide casters. We threw a red battery box on there for kind of his red, you know, his tongue and his backpack there. And then down to the details, we threw Yoshi's face on there. We got a couple eggs spitting out on the cart. And this one is for a special client named Henry. Happy birthday to you, Henry. I know you're not 32 years old, but your father told us your favorite number is number 32. So this one also pretty cool, has the adjustable speed knob. So we're in between stage 1 and 3. So in between that decision, just go stage 3 because you can always dial it back to stage 1 speeds.
Oh my God, it's perfect.
A brand new powder coated cart. I'm gonna take my shoes off.
What? Is that the sound he makes?
Yeah. So we're spinning around here in the showroom.
Don't
Showroom
slip.
is constantly changing with different builds coming out of here. We've got my office, we've got Nick in there, right? Media room, battery room number 1, inventory shelves, all the motor upgrades and casters. Battery room number 2, where all the testing goes down. We've got our merch wall. We've got the build assembly room, where you got sliding here, cranking out new carts. Secret build, XL Stage 5 coming out. Come out of the build room here when the cart is done. You come down powder coated lane. These are all carts set up and staged to get built. Then you come into fulfillment. Any replacement parts, stock parts, new parts you need, we've got them here in the fulfillment bay. Orders get printed out, they get packed, they go on the shelf right here. Then you blast your way through here. Here is Crazy Cart Heaven. We've got all carts in stock, ready to be built. Stages 1 through 5. Custom colors, you name it. We've got, those are standard, these are XL. We've got carts going out.
Alrighty guys, so this Hello Kitty themed stage 1 with brakes, starter casters, the new Kenda tire just came out of the build room, and we wanted to kind of highlight it and just show you guys the versatility of the combination of parts you guys can do even with a stage 1, right? So this stage 1 was a custom powder coated option. We did it in the sassy pink from Prismatic, and then it's a gloss white. Now what really made it pop is this color, the pink. The pink is bright. Is Hello Kitty a cat? So just highlighting some of these options, right? So you've got the hydraulic disc brakes. Now that works from stage 1 all the way to stage 5, as long as you incorporate our TG front fork. So TG front fork here has got the 250 watt motor housed on here that comes on the stage 1 with the hydraulic disc brake setup, the new Kenda tire, and then like we were talking about, these starters back here. So this is the starter V2. So this basically makes it a stage 1.5. So this is a great base model to start with, and then really what you could do is then upgrade this to a 500 watt motor, and you could contact us and you would make it a stage 3.
Yeah. Does that have an LED kit? I can't see from
this one does have an LED kit.
Turn her on.
Let's turn her on.
Ooh.
It's Stage 1.5, Sassy Pink, about to go in a box, head your way. But I also want to mention this guy right over here. This can be yours. Ends October 15th. Don't forget, we have a giveaway. For every $5 spent gets you an entry. And that could be a sticker pack, a t-shirt, a tire, or even this Stage 1.5 will go towards the entries towards that cart. So if you buy a cart, you could end up with another cart. Don't forget, it's a Taxi Garage Stage 4 standard cart. Every $5 spent gets you an entry on taxi-garage.com.
What up? What are you even working on right now?
This here is the Drift Appalachia edition cart. This cart's gonna go out to, I believe it's Kentucky, right?
Yeah.
This cart's gonna go to Kentucky with the boys, Nick, Ryan, Shred Team, Shred Through the Mountains. And this is an entry matching livery to their logo. Actually, this logo is even cooler. They have a really rad logo.
There was a school that got flooded, and now they have a charity that is going to raffle off this cart for the benefits to go to that charity.
What are you gonna do? What are we doing today? It's Friday.
What are we doing? You see that right there?
And now we're gonna put Andre in the alligator canal.
Oh, look in the box.
Oh, way. Oh, drift bar extenders.
90-degree drift bar extenders.
It's just in time. Yo, what do you got for a sweet treat? Dude, it looks like baked goods from your mom.
These are baked goods from my garage.
There's a lot going on here. Boys crushed it this week. On our travels back last week, we picked up the Bucky's tube. Andre says he can swim and not sink, so he has no idea, or kind of the idea that we're gonna see how strong an XL Stage 5 Taxi Garage cart can pull Andre in the tube across the small riverway in the back of our shop. Andre, to sink or swim?
Dude, this thing's gonna snow! Oh! Throw the thing, throw the thing!
Good Florida man. Yo, yo, yo!
At least it's not cold.
Yo, do you think it's gonna work?
100% it's gonna work. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What happened?
Lean back, lean back, lean back. Oh my god. Oh, there was a rock. Oh my god, he's split. He's got a puncture. He's got a puncture. No.
Yo, pull me up.
No way.
PG after hours. Success.
The cart won, Andre lost. We'll be back for more. Good job, Andre.
Success?
Great success.
I think that was a success, right, Casey?
God, why?
Bro. Get the hell. Dude, you guys are both in garbage. Fly like an eagle.
And that's officially the end of the Bucky's tube.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, there we go, there we go.
Yo!
Burn it right out.